Hello, welcome back. All right, we're going to go right into the next pattern. This is going to be a basic right turn. Basic right turn. You have a left, now you need a right. Cool? So when you go from an open position and go over here away from the camera, that means, gentlemen, you're actually going to go across. All right, ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right, now put my back to you. We're going to start over here. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right. So let's take it from a different angle. Yes. Let's take it from this angle here. We'll go closer to the camera. Ready? Making sure you got enough room here. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Cool. All right. Now we need to kind of get where Monica's back is to you first here. Start from this angle. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right. So you can see we're just kind of facing each other, moving around. And you may not get the same amount of distance as we're doing this or rotation. That's okay. Remember, if you need more information on this, refer back to your private lesson style videos and it'll give you a lot more information, okay? So go have fun, practice, 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 and come on back.